Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican living in Switzerland, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a zuchettiwähe, which is basically like a zucchini savory pie. Here in Switzerland, the pies, the tarts are very common, whether they're sweet or savory, so today you're going to learn how to make a Swiss zucchini tart pie. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Okay, so the ingredients we need to make our zucchini pie tart are 3 zucchinis chopped up into big pieces, about an inch and a half, 500 grams of minced meat. I'm using half and half of pork and beef, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vegetable stock, 1 store-bought package of pie dough. Here in Switzerland, it's called Kuchenteig. If you can't find the pie dough easily, you can always use pastry dough. That one's usually quite easy to find, but the pie dough gives it a nicer taste, so if you find it, I recommend that one. It's a 300 gram package. A dash of salt and pepper, 6 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan, 2 onions, also chopped up finely, and about 4 tablespoons of oil, which we're going to use to cook our meat in. Okay, so the next step is we're going to add our onions to the hot oil in the pan. You add them and you're going to saute them until they become translucent for about 2 minutes. You have to be stirring them so they don't burn. After they're translucent, you're going to add the zucchini and you're going to add the vegetable stock. You're going to be stirring, and again you're going to be steaming it up. You don't have to burn the vegetables, you just have to steam them up so they cook. Okay, now we're going to cover our pan so that it steams up and the vegetables cook. Okay, while our zucchini finishes cooking, I'm going to whisk the 2 eggs and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, now the next step is cooking our meat. While it's cooking, we're going to add a dash of salt and pepper. That's to taste, so you can see how much you want to add. That's up to you. And once it's cooked, we're going to add the flour. the next step is to put the meat that we already cooked into the same pan where the zucchini and the onions were cooking so that they mix together. Okay, so the next step is we're going to put the mixture of the meat and the zucchini into our pie form. The pie dough I buy already comes with the parchment paper. If you don't have it, then you're going to have to put parchment paper on your pie form first, and then you can put the dough. Once you put the meat and zucchini mixture in here, you're going to spread out all the egg mixture evenly over the whole meat and zucchini. And in the end, you're going to sprinkle the Parmesan cheese over the top of the meat and zucchini mixture. Okay, so the next step is putting our zucchini tart into the oven. It has to be a preheated oven, so you're going to preheat it to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's been preheated, you pop your tart into the oven and you let it bake for about 40 minutes or until it's nice and golden. Okay, so our zucchini tart is done. If you guys could smell my kitchen, it's really wonderful. Just as a last note, the meat amount and the zucchini amount, that's up to you guys really. It's not really something that I can say put a certain amount. My husband and my kids, they are carnivores. They love meat, so in this case we put a lot of meat in it. If it were up to me, I would put more zucchini. So you guys can play around with the recipe and add the amounts you want. I hope you enjoyed making this with me, and up to the next video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.